Question 12. Show that the relation R defined in the set A of all triangles as R equals to T1 T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. Okay. So, let us say A is a set which is set of all triangles. So, let us say this is an isosceles triangle, this is a right angle triangle, this is some kind of other triangle, and so on, all kind of triangles. Okay. Now, R is a relation. R is a relation in which T1 comma T2 T1 and T2 is such that T1 is similar to T2. Okay. So, T1 is similar to T2. Now, what does this mean? So, is this relation, is this an equivalence relation or not? So, first of all, let us check reflexive. So, look closely. If this is the triangle A, T1, so T1 will be similar to itself. So, T1 comma T1 will be element of R, because T1 will be always, a triangle will be always similar to itself. So, all the triangles from the set A will be similar to itself only. Therefore, definitely for all T1 element of A. Hence, R is reflexive. Okay. Next, is R is symmetric? Is R symmetric? For symmetric check, consider two triangles T1 and T2. If one triangle is similar to other, if T1 is similar to T2, that means T2 is also similar to T1, as simple as that. Hence, what? R is symmetric. Is it transitive? I think it is transitive. Easily it can be proved that T1, T2 element of R, T2, T3 element of R, means T1 and T2 are similar to each other. So, T2 and T3 is again similar to each other. That means T1 and T3 must be similar, right? Hence, transitive. R is transitive. So, as R is transitive, all the three criteria is met, R is also equivalence relation. So, R is also equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Let us go back. Now, what is the next part of the question? Next part of the question says that consider three right angles triangles T1 with size 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13 and 6, 8, 10. Okay, let us draw the three triangles now. So, let us say right angle triangle, this is the one, this is the second one, this is the third one. These are three triangles. Okay. So, what is been given? 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So, that means this is 5, this is 3, this is 4, 3, 4, 5, again 5, 12, 13, 5, 12, 13, and I think the next one would be 6, 8, 10. No, I think it is 10. 6, 8, 10. Yeah. Which triangles among T1, T2 are related? So, which one of them are similar to each other? As simple as that. So, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. So, we know if they are similar, then the ratio should be, let us say 3 by 4 equal to 5 by 12 equal to 6 by 8. So, 6 by 8 I can simplify, I can write what? 3 by 4. That means, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. So, T1 and T2 are related. T3 are related, That's it. As they are similar, they should follow this, is it or not? They should follow the ratio, similar triangle ratios. So that's it. So as T1 and T3, the ratios are, T1 ratio is 3/4 and T2 is, the T3 is also 3/4. So that means these two are similar. However, T2 is not. That's it.